Technology is changing every day across the globe. Can you imagine a world where we as people control computers using only our minds? Believe it, because it's happening today.
Understanding how the human brain works and the power of computers are both growing rapidly. With this advanced knowledge, researchers are developing brain-computer interfaces, or BCI, which could be one of the most essential breakthroughs in years. Our brain is filled with individual nerve cells connected to each other called neurons. Whenever you feel something, think something, or move, electrical signals are sent from neuron to neuron. Scientists are able to detect and interpret these signals and use them to direct a device. Brain-computer interfaces involve implanting electrodes or using a cap to place on the scalp to read brain waves and have computer software interpret the process. A computer monitor then displays the thought activity.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Where am I? Who are you? I'm your sister. Where am I? What happened?
Well, you wouldn't believe what happened to me today. As I was trying to get to my car, somebody hit me over the head with a beer bottle and mugged me and took my computer away from me and pushed me into the ground. And then I had a memory loss. I didn't even know that I broke my wrist. I broke my hand. I can't even move my fingers. And I'm really upset because I thought I've got a career ahead of me, a future ahead of me. And I'm attending Maryville University right now. And I want to be an accounting degree student. And I don't know if I can move forward like this. I don't know what to do.
Well, actually, there's this new technology emerging. It's called brain-computer interfaces, and it allows a person to control a computer or any electronic device using only his or her brain waves. No movement required. So with your wrist, you won't even have to move your hands to type in all the entries for your accounting. Brain-computer interfaces is currently being tested at WashU, and it's going to help people regain their motor skills that may have been temporarily or permanently lost. It's really cool. There are two main types of brain-computer interfaces: invasive and non-invasive. Invasive systems require surgery to implant electrodes on or near the surface of the brain. Most non-invasive systems use electrodes placed on the scalp, usually held in place in a cap that looks like a fabric swimming cap.
Wow, she was right. There are a lot of BCIs to choose from. Typing journal entries could be a thing of the past. Imagine not having to physically enter data into a computer. Instead, with brain-computer interfaces, thinking about a number is all you will need to do because BCI does the rest. However, do not confuse BCI with mind reading or mind control. It requires a conscious thought process and a focus on a word or a number. Brain-computer interfaces can display a series of letters or numbers on your screen for an individual to focus and choose from the desired information. For example, focus on the GL account number and column, and the number will appear. Then you can continue this process for the description column and the debit and credit columns, and then the journal entry is finished.
Wow, Gina is able to perform efficiently and accurately using BCI. BCI is not just for individuals with handicaps. It can also be shared with fully able and functional individuals.
Your face is really big.
Well, you wouldn't believe what happened to me today.
Okay, I'm done.
No, I'm sorry, but while you were talking, I've been looking at you, and the person that did this to me kind of looks like you.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done. We're in the same direction.